Okay, this episode we're going to give you an update on what we got done in the kitchenette, how we had some fun this week, and what the plans are for next week. So stay tuned. Okay, next phase of the basement kitchen is to replace the upstairs kitchen countertop so I can take the original drain board sink and put it back downstairs. So we cut the butcher block. Now we just have to fine tune it. And this is what it looks like after. So tomorrow will be a final sand on this counter, and then I'll oil it and it's good to go. But it's all hooked up, new sink, new faucet, new countertop. Now we can get back to the downstairs kitchen. Here's an update.
Of my reusing old wood.
Yeah, so you're building a trash cabinet to go at the end of this dresser / kitchen cabinet so that it matches this, the mission style. And I ordered up one of these knobs, drawer pulls. Let's see, he also put in the plumbing. Ta-da! Look at that. And we got our harvest right. Down here we got our dehydrator. So all of this will stay. But we're gonna build a shelf over here. The dehydrator will go up there. So there'll be more counter space. And again, all this will eventually end up under or in a bulkhead behind the wall, so you don't see any of this. And this will be like open shelving, so you'll see. But look at his hard work. Good job, honey. It's gonna be so pretty. Are we going to Home Depot?
Yeah.
You're dressed to impress?
Yeah.
Okay, now it is primed. So now you can see how this blends with this. So it looks like it's supposed to be there.
Blending time.
Did really good. You did a good job, honey.
3 bar
Learn baseball.
trash dispenser. It shouldn't slam like that though. Once I put the little
Trash can down
sealed
here.
little deal in the back, it'll air cushion.
Well, all right.
One upstairs.
Okay, I have the final coat of paint on the cabinet. So that will dry. And if you're curious, this is what I'm using, Bear chalk paint. And then once it's dry, it has to be sealed with a clear wax. And so we'll see how that is. And then Duane is building the shelves to go above here. And the shelf will actually be the top that was on this dresser. So it fits perfectly up there. Okay, now the shelf is up. And so this used to be on top of the dresser. So this is the last of what we did this week. So to recap, we put on a countertop. Duane built this addition to the dresser so that this is a trash cabinet. And then we put the drain board sink on top of the Youngstown base cabinet. So now it's back to the way it originally was. And then next week we will start working on this area right here. And then after that, we'll probably do our drop ceiling and close all the rest of this up, I'm guessing. So that's it for this week. Are you having fun? Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. Now next week our plan is to try to build that corner area so we can build some open shelving and bring those two cabinets together, and then we'll see if we get anything else accomplished. And then today is Saturday morning, and so we're heading up to the property. And remember, we tore the cabin all the way down to the ground, so now we're going to try to do some cleanup. So I'll try to do some filming if you guys want to see what's happening at the property, and I'll post that at some point later this week as well. So thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please hit the thumbs up arrow. That's how I know that you want to keep seeing videos. So, all right, thanks. Bye.